Hi, how are you doing today? I'm here because um, I received my package from Beebee Craft, and I am going to go ahead and share the unwrapping of the package. It came um, in this package, and I've already opened it, and my address is on the other side, so that's why I have it turned this way. So let me go ahead and open up. Now, I don't remember exactly what's in here, so let's find out together what was in this package. Let's see here. Okay, very nicely and very well wrapped. Let's see what fun crafting goodies we have here. I look forward to creating with the items because I did I did choose some nice items for my order. There were some, I normally like to do cards and, oops, excuse me for the noise. I normally like to do cards and whatnot for my projects because I do a lot of pen pal writing and writing letters and sending out a lot of flat mail. Most of my mail is on the flatter side. But I have done jewelry in the past, so I did choose some jewelry items from Beebee Craft. Let's see what's here. I hope I've been in frame. I wasn't looking up at the camera all the time. So let's see what we have here. We have some jewelry findings, some little, I forget what those are called actually, but this is these are some instructions, and these are some pendants that are in there that I could make probably something like that. Maybe that's like a inspiration sheet that they include in here with the items that you receive. Oh, these are really, really nice. These are those crystals that you put on top of the amulets. It's what's in this bag here. And they're actually pretty, they feel pretty strong. And they've got, oh, for crying out loud, they're very well packaged. I mean, this is really, really nice and careful packaging of their items. But look how pretty these are for making a pendant. And I have some lovely, I think this might include some decorative designs to put in there, but if not, I have some awesome decorative things that I could put in there. And they have square ones and they have oval ones. And look at this one, a nice big oval one. And they've got some tinier ones. How cute are those? And just a variety of sizes. And then they've got the long one. It's like a domino piece. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's put this over here. Because if I take the time to put all this away right this second, we will be here for quite a long time. And I do not think that you all want to be here that long. And here is the chain. And I love the color that I chose because usually when I wear costume jewelry, it's usually silver or gold. And this is like a brassy color, which is different for me. So those are going to be really, really nice. And what else is in here? And then we've got some more chains in here. This is like a big long one, and these are some shorter ones, is what it seems like. And of course, we'll delve more into what each product is once we start using them for a craft. And these are some more strings and whatnot. And my elbow is sitting there popping the popping things here. And then these are, okay, so I don't see any decorations like to put in the middle for these things. So I'm gonna, the ones that I have in my stash are gonna come in quite handy. And I could make little decorative things for some of my planners and my journals with this. How cute is that? And then these are for those tiny little ones that they go in there. That is adorable. Those maybe those could be earrings, but they might be a little bit heavy to be earrings. I have to see. Maybe just a small, pretty necklace. Maybe like a choker necklace would be good with that one. Or something that's closer to your neck and not dangling down. But these are all beautiful pieces. I really like these. But normally, like I was saying, I usually order things to make cards and dies and whatnot. But I really wanted to try something different than what I usually do. And I can't technically I can send these as gifts to my pen friends, but they would just have to be a special package that I would send to them, a one-time deal or something like that, or once in the blue moon type deal, because I do have about 30 pen pals or so. And if I send heavier packages to all of them, then I might end up living in some of their backyards or something like that, because postage would take all the funds I have. Okay, and let's see what this is in here. What else do we have? We have something else in here, and I'm not sure what this package is. Let's open it up and see what is in this package here. Let's see here. Let's see here. Okay, it's nicely closed and tied up. Okay. Let's see. Oh, so these are some gold findings that I picked out for jewelry making, which is usually what I order, is gold or silver when I've made jewelry in the past. And here are some little like studs, like little pearls, almost like pearls. And I think this is a part of some jewelry kit. I think it all comes. Yep, they all come and you can all put them together. That's what this one is like. I'm going to have to go ahead and see if I can find some tutorials to help me with this. But these are some little baubles that are filled with stuff that shakes. You can shake it around and it moves around. You can't. I shook it there, and that did not help you in any which way, because I shook and my whole hand shook, and I probably made you a little bit dizzy there. And these are for earrings. So these are to make some sort of earrings with these. And with these, I can make 3 pairs of earrings, it looks like, with the items in this particular set here. And I probably will have extras left over of the findings, of the extra little finding pieces. So that will go in there. Oh boy, lots of little bags with all the little different things. Okay, so we have that. And okay, I remember picking this one out too. I might have to go back to my order and look at what I ordered and what was in my order and see what examples they gave in the pictures. But this is some more cording for necklaces and whatnot, excuse me. And oh, this is pretty. This comes in a nice little box. How cute is that? And it opens up. How does it open up? I do not want to get parts, little pieces all over me here. I'm gonna watch with my luck. This is gonna like pop open and there's gonna be pieces flying everywhere in my room. And I am not sure. Now I can tell you one thing, I am probably gonna have to edit all this that took me all this time to open this, because boy am I feeling dumb right now. Okay. Oh Sandy, yes there is. Look, there's something, there's tape holding it on. And no wonder I could not get it to pop open, because they were smart, and they put tape on it so that it would stay closed. And it's so pretty and nicely put on there that I didn't even notice. Is that all that's on there? Yep, see? All I had to do was get the tape off, and off it opened, it came. Oh, these are adorable. These are the little round connecting pieces. And look how pretty these are. These are so cute. I love that. And this is definitely something that I can make little decorations and little gifts for my pen friends with, or for my snail mail pals, and with my YouTube friends that I've made over time, and I could surprise them with something that I made. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. I love, oh my, and there's so many of them. Wow, well, I'm definitely gonna have fun with that. And I love that little carrying case that it came in. So this and this goes together. Let me just make sure I keep those together. As a matter of fact, this pretty little box will go back. Will it go back in there without popping open? Yes, it will. And this was in there, and that was in there. Because my scatterbrain will inadvertently get that mixed up with something else. So, and I think this is the last thing that's in here. Last, but definitely not least. Again, I love these little containers that everything comes packed in. But I am surely ready this time. And I will remove the tape. Does this one have any tape, or are they going to trick me? This one doesn't have any tape, does it? Oh, yes, it does. I see the tape right there. It does. These, I'm just as impressed with the stuff that's in it as with the containers that are that they use to package this stuff in. This is so cute. Now, I will be putting a link to the company down below, and sharing, so that you, if you're interested in any of this, or in the jewelry is your cup of tea, that you can go and take a look at the page and see if there's any of the awesome items that they have on there that you would love to use. Now, I'm telling you right now, I had a hard time just picking a couple of things. I really wanted everything. Oh my goodness, look how cute little rings. And I would love to put those on with the little decor. And that's kind of cute, because that way if it gets lost, I know that I can, or if I misplace it, or what in the world, what if somebody says, oh, that is so pretty, Sandy, can I have it? Can I have it? And I would say, yeah, sure, here, it's yours. And then I can go home and see, you would put that on there. And then I could go home after I've gifted it to someone who thinks it's real cute, and make myself another one. And also, there's 2 of each of these things, so you could technically, if you had earring studs, you could technically put this on earring studs. And I don't know if I have any left from when I used to do crafting before, when I used to craft jewelry, but those would make some pretty nice, pretty earrings. But I probably couldn't find them now, because I'm moving again and I'm trying to pack some of my items, and if I wanted to find the back, but there's the back of those, the little earring stubs, I probably could not find them to save my life. But I think that this is adorable. I love this. I love this. I just love it all. It's like so cute, and I look forward to once I'm done using these products, hopefully I can go back and see if there's, and see what other items that are on my wish list there on their website. But I'm just sitting there looking at them. And you all are sitting there saying, Sandy, keep talking. And I'm sitting there just staring at this stuff because it's just so cute. But yes, lovely, lovely, lovely. I love that this pendant has instructions and has some kind But see, you have to cut the prepared picture to the oval shape with scissors. They don't bring the decorations you put in this in the middle here. It says the kit. With this kit, you can make 9 strands, different. I'm gonna butcher this word. Cabochon pendant necklace. Pictures for reference only. You can customize any of your like pictures. You can customize any your like pictures. That is what it says. I'm assuming it means you can customize them with any picture that you would like. I think that was just a little grammatical error in the instructions there. I thought I was reading it wrong because sometimes that happens when I'm sit there and read something and it doesn't sound quite right. But I do have a lot of pictures that I could put in these and make them different sizes to fit all the different images. And there's actually one here that they have that shows an S, and that one would be kind of cool to make something like that for myself with an S. I don't know if I have that one exactly, but I have one similar that I could wear for my name. And I think that would be pretty cool to wear when I take my kids to the school day, the day on school campus days when we all hang out together. That actually would be pretty nice. But anyways, that is what I received in my Beebee Crafts package. And like I said, I will be sharing the link down below so that if you all are curious and want to go look at some of these items, if you have any questions, post them down below and I'll do my very best to answer the question if I'm able to. And then if I'm not able to answer the question that you have, then I can always try to find the answer for you. If that would help you make a decision on any particular item or crafty project that you may want to try some of these with. So, but definitely make sure you post the questions down below. And because I definitely will probably be looking online for some inspiration. If you've made jewelry before and you've used some of these items, feel free to share a link with me down below so that I can go and take a look and get inspiration from something that you have done. But anyhow, this is all that I have for today. You all have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I will be back soon with another video. Bye now.